Okay, is that clear? Irrational number. The number which cannot be written in the form of p by q. Written in the form of p by q. For example, root 2, root 3, root 5, not root 4. Hold on. Root 4 is not a irrational number because root 4 value is how much? 2, and 2 is a natural number, 2 is a whole number, 2 is a integer, 2 is a rational number because it can be written in the form of p by q. 2 we can write 2 as in the form of p by q, but is equal to 2 by 1 and so on. Now let's come to another number is pi. Pi is also irrational number. Why pi is not an irrational number? कुछ लोग कहेंगे कि तुम लोग कहो कि सर पाई we are writing pi is equal to 22 by 7, 22 by 7, which is equal to 3.14. This is not exact value 3.14. This is not exact value. और तुम ऐसे सॉल्व करते जाओगे तो ये होता जाएगा कंटिन्यू. ठीक है जी. Then next come to the representation of root 2 in the number line. Representation of root 2 in the number line. How to represent root 2 in number line? How to represent root 2 in number line? This is very important line. Yeah, root 2. How to represent root 2 in number line? ठीक है जी. Now listen. First of all, root 2 can how to represent? Pythagoras theorem पढ़ेंगे. Pythagoras theorem already I have teach you Pythagoras theorem. That is, if a right angle triangle, let's suppose this is a right angle triangle, and this is base, and this is your perpendicular, this is your hypotenuse, and hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, which is hypotenuse equal to p square plus b square. Now we need root 2. So just think, if perpendicular will be 1, base will be 1, then hypotenuse will be how much? 1 square plus 1 plus square is equal to root 2. So root 2, how to draw root 2? Very important topic. So it is 0 is number line, 0 to 1 is 1 unity. So draw a right angle 90 degree here. Draw a 90 degree here. So 8 1 line, this is 1 unity, and draw another 1 unity. Draw an arc of 1 unity. Now join this 0 to 1. Now join this triangle. Now this will be how much? Root 2. This will be how much? Root 2. Take an arc, point here 0, take an arc, and draw. This is your root 2. This is your root 2 here. This point is how much? Root 2. Very important. How to draw root 2? So first 0 to take an arc from 0 to 1, then at the point of 1, at 1 point 1 unity, draw a 90 degree right angle. Draw right angle. Then draw this right angle. Now join this, and this will be act as a right angle triangle. And this hypotenuse value is how much? Root 2. They are clear or not? This hypotenuse value is root 2. If somebody asks you to draw root 3 or root 5, somebody asks you to draw root 3 or root 5. Root 5, somebody asks you to draw root 3. So how? For example, take an example. This is a right angle triangle. If perpendicular, this is 2, this is 1, this is how much? 2 square, this is 2 square 4 plus 1 square plus square of this is there is root 5. In case of somebody is asking you to draw root 5, then draw a number line. Here is 0, here is 1, here is 2, 3 and so on, positive infinite, and here is minus 1, minus 2, minus negative infinite. So कौन करेगा तो ऐसे कैसे? हम दरकार कौन? 2 by 1 दरकार. Take 2 unity, this is 1 unity, 2 unity, this is 2. Draw here a right angle, 90 degree. Draw a right angle. Mark 1 unity and join this triangle. Now it is a right angle triangle. And here this is 2 unity, this is 1 unity, that means this one is root 5. Now join, now draw a arc. Take this arc and This is your root 5 and so this is your root 5. Is that clear or not? How to draw root 2, root 3, root 5. So first, तुमको कौन करेगा पड़ेगा? What you have to do? First you have to do find out the perpendicular value and base value. जे हमको कौन perpendicular value में कौन होगा, base value में कौन होगा, ताकि hypotenuse सेट बनेगा. जोड़ा हमको क्वेश्चन में given देगा. ठीक है जी? This is all about introduction, natural number, whole number, integer, and rational number, irrational number. ठीक है जी? ये बंद है. ओपन है ना. जैसे कौन रूट एक्स होची रूट 3 हाउ टू रूट 3 के भी ड्रॉ करेगा. बस रूट 3 के भी ड्रॉ करेगा. कितने ड्रॉ करेगा ये देखो सब. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट आई होप तो बुझा पड़ा है. व्हाट इज नेचुरल नंबर रूट गोटे नेचुरल नंबर को हमें होल नंबर कह परिबा 1.9 गोटे नेचुरल नंबर क्या हम कॉल्ड एज होल नंबर ए नेचुरल नंबर डेफिनेटली. गोटे इंटीजर को रेशनल नंबर कह परिबा. गोटे इंटीजर को होल नंबर कह परिबा. नो -2 is an integer but -2 not a whole number. vice versa is not possible. तो ओडिसा रो छ माने तो इंडिया रो छ और तो इंडिया रो छ माने ता माने तो ओडिसा रो ना. तो आउ थोड़ा आई रिपीट आउ थोड़ा सीक्वेंस टा मन रखो. फर्स्ट होची नेचुरल नंबर, देन ये होची के होल नंबर, देन तापर के इंटीजर, देन तापर के रेशनल नंबर, देन अनदर इज इरेशनल नंबर. इरेशनल नंबर तापर बिल्कुल नहीं. इरेशनल नंबर बाहर ये इरेशनल नंबर आउट रहेगा. ये होची क्यू डेस इरेशनल नंबर. ठीक है जी. अच्छा कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल द रेशनल एंड इरेशनल नंबर एमान एक सेट भीतर रहले. से सेट को हम कहले रियल नंबर. ये सेट को हम कहले रियल नंबर. रियल नंबर ये भी इनके आगे गोटे सेट अछि. ये सेट कोन कहला इमेजिनरी नंबर आई. ताहा पे भी गोटे सेट अछि तुम जानि अछि पढ़िए पया. तो एडे से कॉन्सेप्ट देखबा देखो माने फॉर एग्जांपल हिंदी धरन जते ओडिसा होला. ओडिसा कोथरा अछि इंडिया भीतर. इंडिया कोथरा अछि एशिया कोथरा अछि हमर वर्ल्ड यार तो बड़ा सोलर सिस्टम भीतर अछि. सेते अनार सोलर सिस्टम एंड सो दिस इज क्लियर. तार देखिबा एडिशन मल्टीप्लाई एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन देखिबा है ना. 6 root 5 by 2 root 5 multiplication 6 root 5 into 2 root 5. देखिए तो पॉइंट नंबर फर्स्ट one is root a into root b equal to root ab. ठीक है जी. root a divided by root b equal to root a by b. root b divided by root a equal to root b by b. root a whole square equal to a square square root of a square equal to a. Another thing, this root a can be also written as a to the power 1 by 2. Is that clear or not? If there is written 1 by root a, our meaning कौन 1 by a to the power 1 by 2, which is equal to how much a to the power minus 1 by 2. Exponent of negative asile I have already teach you if in exponent if there is minus is coming, negative sign is coming, that means that whole term in the denominator. That whole term in the denominator. So don't be confused. Don't be confused. For example, there is given 6 root 5 by 2 root 5 multiply and divide. 6 root 5 and 2 root 5. In question there is asking 6 root 5 and 2 root 5. Look, 6 root 5 into 2 root 3 for example given, and 6 root 5 divided by 2 root 3 is given. और vice versa 2 root 3 divided by 6 root 5 काम आराम से ये कौन करेगा what we will do then what we will do 30 pound is 6 root 5 into 2 root 3. That means what? 6 into this. That means what? 6 root 5 and for example 6 root 5. That is 6x. 6 times 6 root 5. Another thing I repeat. For example, I repeat x plus x meaning also 3x. X into x meaning also x cube. 1 by x into 1 by x into 1 by x equal to x to the power minus 3. Is that clear or not? That is 6 root 5 into 2 root 3. That means you can also write 6 into root 5 into 2 into root 3. 6 to 12 root 5 root a into root b root ab. That is root 15. Here 6 divided by 2. Then 6 root 5 divided by 2 root 3 there is given. So into or you can write here 6 root 5 and here is 2 root 3. Now you can write here 2 3 is 6 here equal to root 5 by 3 into 2 root 5 by 3. तो it is one irrational part. Root over irrational part irrational में solve करेगा. We will solve irrational part separate and rational part separate, integer part separate. Then for example this one what will the answer? 2 by 6 square root of 3 by 5 because 3 is coming first. If there is given 3 divided by 12, don't confuse, don't divide 12 with 3. You have to divide 3 with 12 because here is the written, it is numerator, it will come to the numerator that equal to 3 by 12. Question 1. If the number is suppose a divided by b, that means a by b. Here is the numerator divided by denominator. This is the thing. Okay. Then next. Now, decimal, repeating decimal I have already discussed. Already uploaded in the video, another video.